Hey everybody, this is Taylor with Off Leash Canine Training Toledo. Today we have Shadow. He is a 1-year-old Schnauzer Poodle mix. Shadow comes to us for training because overall he still has a lot of those puppy behaviors we like to work on and manage as he continues to grow up. He's got lots of jumping behaviors that we like to work on, regular obedience of course, and following through with his commands. He can be pretty nervous of new environments, some things that he's not used to. So being able to go out in public and to show him all of those new things to learn to be okay around and safe in his own space. So we'll see what Shadow knows. Shadow, come. Sit. Good. Down. Down. Good. Down. Yes. Place. 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 All right, so as you can see, he'll go into that sit and the down for me. Not quite ready to hold those commands just yet. And he's not too sure of that place object. So we'll be working on all of those things and we'll see you in 2 weeks when he's all trained up.